Okay, this is the Genesis carbon fibre boat which I'm selling. This is the TX, it's a Traxxas setup. It's already bound to the boat. All I need to do is try and balance that. Plug it in. It'll beep 6 times for 6 lipos. Okay, and then I'm sorry I couldn't get this in the I couldn't get this in the water this weekend. I didn't have time. So you can see servo moving to the left and right, then does that, and then the accelerator. I have put a reverse on it. There's a program card that comes with this boat. You can have it on or off, it's up to you. I just put it on. There's your zippy batteries, 5000 3S. It's a Seeking 180 amp R for your ESC. 4082 motor, 1600 kV I believe. 3/8 drivetrain, upgraded. As you can see, it's all beautiful carbon fibre. One other note is this boat will need some Tampax under these pool lipos, just one on each side, and that is just in case any water does come to the drivetrain. It leaks down into these bottom gullies and it just there'll be a quarter of a thimble full, that's all, and the Tampax just soak it up nice, so there's no problems with that at all. So it's a good idea. Put the Tampax one under there, one under there. The steering, another point of interest. The steering will be inhibited at around 60% travel. Otherwise, when you go in the water, full turn and it'll just flip over. But on 60% travel, you should get it round quite easily. Another point of interest is the hatch tape. Always put the hatch tape round once the hatch is on and the screws are in, just in case it does flip over. It'll not sink and it'll not let any water in, so that's quite important. Always use hatch tape and you'll have a lot of fun with this boat, I can assure you. Another point of interest is that these, if you're new to boating, these are twin pickups. So basically water, as the boat travels through the water, water is forced through that little hole, up this tube, around here, into the boat, all the way across. This one in particular goes to the ESC, around the ESC and back out and comes out the side of this hull, and the other one comes up off this little pickup here, through this pipe, into here. It goes into this water jacket which cools the motor, comes out the top of the motor, and then it goes into the prop housing here. You can see that. Out of that, and then through this pipe and out of this side. So when you're running, you should always be checking that there's water coming out of this and this hull, which means your ESC and your motor's getting nice and cool water. Now when I've run it, I've always felt it afterwards and it's always been ice cold really, so definitely working. Now it keeps that prop housing nice and cool as well, which is great.